and I finally got couple tools cleaned up and done. Today I'm going to introduce you to the Herbrand number 1150A, and this is, if you look it up, it's a lug bud bar wrench, and it's either for trucks, big trucks, or for tractors. And this one came off of our farm, and with that was another wrench, and this one was a 1.5 by 1 inch double-ended, and as you can see, you can put a rod through there to help increase your torque. And now this one is made in USA, but there's no name on it, so I don't know if Herbrand made this one or not. But I thought while I was cleaning the other one, I might as well clean this and paint them up the same. It's international red color. The video and some of the photo shots I include with this video will show you the steps I took to clean it up and paint it, and basically to rust proof it. And I'll keep it, since I got tractors and stuff, I'll probably keep these around. But I wanted to also talk to you about the videos coming up. As you see my process, I include in this video as well as probably others because they kind of combine. But I get so many things in bulk when I go to auction that I have to usually clean them all together instead of just trying to do one tool at a time or item at a time. I will combine a whole bunch of items in one grouping of cleaning, like in a vinegar solution. Or if I start doing the wire brushing, I'll have a bunch of tools lined up that I want to clean, and so it's kind of a multitasking assembling line, if you want to call it that, of cleaning these certain tools. Some of them I'll finish up, I'll use, and I won't go through the full process of cleanup because they're just going to get dirty, but I want them usable. And if the ones you'll see in the vinegar solution, they were really rusty and bad, and you'll see I got a bunch of stuff laid out. That's because I just threw them in the vinegar bath, and like these, they probably sat for almost 2 to 3 weeks in that vinegar bath. And when I pulled them out, it's, just basically you scrub them up, put them in a solution of baking soda, so it also neutralizes the acid. But that's why you'll see a lot of intermixed, same maybe photos or videos with some of the other tools. But that's my process for this. They turned out really nice. I put a heavy coat of paint and primer on that to hopefully keep it from rusting in the barn. Like I say, I painted it international red because most of our tractors are international, so that's why I did it that way. But that's like I say, that is this one here is a 1.5 by 1 inch. It's definitely heavy duty. And then this one, I didn't get the measurements, but I'm thinking it's at least and I think it's about inch and a half as well. It would make sense if it's for either the semi trucks or the tractors we used them on. But they come in handy. You never know when you need an extra wrench. This one's a little bit better made than this one. There is, I don't know if it's cracked all the way through, but it's definitely got a little issue with the side there. And I don't know if that was from use, or if it came that way from the manufacturer. But anyway, that's the tool for today. And like I said, I got a bunch more coming up. And as I do the process, I'll just keep throwing out the videos. If you have any questions about the wrenches, or if you've ever used one or know a little bit more about it, I'm still looking. As you see, the hoe is not a round hoe. So I'm thinking they provided a buddy rod to help force the wrench, but I cannot locate that. If I find it laying around, I'll clean it up and show it to you. But I do not have that rod, though you can stick about anything in there. Tire rod or something would fit in there as well. So anyway, there you go, guys. Have a great day, and I'll get some more videos out. If you have any comments, please add them, and have a good week, guys. Bye-bye.
bird on a tree. I'm just sitting here, I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together, it's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Sometimes you need to go and take a step back